Yeah, this a banger.
Young Dizzle.
Hey y'all, it's Jimmy P. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another freaking video. Again, another lovely wholesale haul. Before we get into the video, of course, happy Thanksgiving. This video should be going up on Thanksgiving. That means tomorrow is wet. Tomorrow is wet. Tomorrow is Black Friday, girl. Black Friday. And guess what? Lovely Wholesale is having all the deals, okay? So I'm bringing y'all this video today to show you all the pieces that I got from Lovely Wholesale so y'all can go ahead and shop on Black Friday, get y'all deals. Y'all know I got a coupon code for you, so I'll leave it on the screen somewhere and down in the description box down below, including all the links to everything that I wear in this video. Before we get into it, of course, go hit the subscribe button down below, hit that bell button right next to it to notify when I upload all my videos. Go follow me on all my social media at JIMIP_. Y'all know we lit on Instagram and Twitter. I'm gonna be taking pictures in all of these outfits, so make sure y'all go follow me on there, okay? Now, without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, so this first piece that I have is this really cute pink parka kind of jacket. So it's giving very much blazer, but like fur blazer or whatever. It has like these two little pink buttons on them with the little flap. Like, I don't know why I fell in love with this. It was just a hot pink color, and like I feel like you can add just a cute little statement piece with this. Like, add this to like an all black outfit, throw this on and make it real cute, or you can really dress it up or whatever, and you can add like a pink skirt and be real girly with it. But yeah, I like this. It definitely fits the weather or whatever, since it's technically going into winter. Real soft. This is like kind of loose fit. I think I got this in a medium. It's not really a tight fitted type of thing. It's more so just like a loose fitted little blazer, but I love the color and it's super cute. Alright y'all, so this next piece that I have right here is this really just revealing dress. Like, this is probably one of the most revealing outfits that I have. Like, it's literally busting out everywhere. So from the back, you would just think it's this really cute, playful, colorful dress, and then you turn to the front, girl, and it's just giving off all types of body, yaddy, okay? So the top is cut extremely low. I want to show y'all, but I don't want to show y'all too much, you know what I'm saying? So the top is cut extremely low, like almost to the belly button type, but it's not tight at all. And I think I got this in a medium, but I know if I got it in a small, it probably would have been, it just would have showed way too much, like on this area right here. So what I'm thinking I'm probably going to do is get it altered and have to like get it sewed up to like right here, just so it can hold my boobs in place and not be slipping and sliding everywhere. Because if I let this go, they out, girl, they out. Another thing is the fact that the splits are really high. So I'm definitely gonna have to get something where it'll hold this part of the dress down, so like my Phuket don't be just hanging out everywhere. But overall, the dress is really pretty. I love the colors. I love the sexiness of it, because y'all know I love sexy or whatever. I love that it's showing my thigh tattoo. I just love that it's giving what it's supposed to be giving. Like, you know what I mean? It's cute or whatever, but it just needs to be altered a little bit. I'm not even gonna lie, because I just can't be walking outside with everything just out and hanging out or whatever. But yeah, it's definitely still really cute. It's like this tie-dye pink and blue and white, so it's cute. It looks like exactly how it looks online, but I just need to get it altered because the mannequin, she has some body, okay? So it might have filled out the curves a little bit better, but your girl ain't got that much body to be filling out, okay? So it's definitely really cute though. I feel like I can wear this on New Year's Eve or something, just something like, because it's just so sexy and just showing everything. So yeah, but I'm definitely gonna have to, because I have on underwear right now, so you know, I'm definitely not gonna wear underwear when I wear this. So I'm definitely gonna have to figure out a way that I can hold it right here and it doesn't be all over the place, you know what I mean? I get it's supposed to be revealing. I know that was why I bought it, but it's revealing a little too much for my liking, but it's still really cute. Alright, y'all, so this next piece that I have on is this really cute orange jump like dress or whatever, because it's really not a dress. Like I wouldn't even classify this as a dress. It's like a jump dress because it's like a jumpsuit, like sweatsuit kind of, but in a dress form. I love this. This is probably my favorite piece. This is just something that's really casual, but you can also dress it up. I love the color, like a whole lot. I love it. It has like little pockets on it, and then you can make it as sexy as you want. So this little like clips or whatever, you can unhook them if you want to and have this little cut coming down a little bit longer. You know, I'll probably wear it like this if I'm going to the club, put on some black heels. But if I'm like, you know, just chilling in the house, or I just want to do like a chill fit or whatever, I would just button it up like this, have it like this, put on some cute little sneakers. It also has a hood on it, which I just thought was so cute. Like, y'all, this is so cute. Like, I'm just thinking of the pictures for the gram. Like, girl, this is it right here. So it's definitely giving body or whatever. It feels so comfortable on. This is definitely my favorite piece because I feel comfortable in it. But yeah, I still feel real cute and like, you know, sexy, but like kind of like this like sporty girly kind of thing. So yeah, I think this is definitely my favorite. It's really cute. It's giving body. It's a popping color. I know it's fall or whatever. I know we're supposed to be in like fall colors, but girl, I like bright colors. I like to stand out. So I definitely like this, and I definitely think it's still giving fall vibes because it's real chill, comfy, warm, and cozy. And I like the pockets because, girl. Alright, so before we get into these two last pieces that I have, I want to talk about these pants that were also sent to me, and I'm actually probably going to cry in the car because I cannot fit them. I got them in a size large, and I thought that I would be able to fit them, but I can't. I don't know what it is because they look big enough, right? They look big enough. I don't know what it is, but I cannot get the waist part over my butt. And girl, I mean, listen, I'm fat back there, but girl, I ain't that fat back there. So, but usually I can fit a large in their pants. That's the size I usually get. So, I don't know. These jeans are a tougher jean. They don't have really any stretch to it at all. So if you do want to get these jeans, which I highly recommend because they are so cute. They have the little cross-up pattern in the back, and I thought that was so freaking cute. So if you do want to get these or whatever, I definitely recommend that you size up. Like, don't get your normal size. Definitely go up a size, maybe even 2 sizes, because these would have fit real tight on me if I went up another size still. So I probably would have went up 2 sizes, but I don't even know if they go up 2 sizes. But if you are like a little bit like not as thick in the thighs or whatever, these will definitely be able to fit for you. I just got thighs and they would not go past my thighs, and they definitely would not go up my butt. But I'm so mad because these are so freaking cute. So I'm definitely still gonna put the link down in the description box, and I definitely do still recommend these because they are really good jean quality. They just don't have any stretch, and I'm really mad that I couldn't fit them because I had a really cute outfit to go with this. But it's okay. So y'all just make sure that y'all size up. So the strings don't come attached to them, so make sure that y'all are ready to lace them up. It didn't take long though, maybe like 3 minutes to lace them up or whatever. And after that, they are just so freaking cute. Like, I love the wash. The light, like kind of light, kind of dark wash or whatever. They are just regular jeans going all the way down to the bottom. They aren't skinny jeans. They aren't boot cut. They just regular jeans, no cuts in them or anything. So I definitely, you can definitely make this into like a fashion type of jean. Like, you can cut them up, bleach them, put some paint on them, make them real colorful or whatever. But it's like a blank canvas, but with this cute little cross-up design in the back, which was the reason why I got them, because I was obsessed with the little cross-up. So hopefully they can send me a new pair. So if y'all see this, please send me a new pair, y'all. But if not, who want these? Alright, y'all, so last but not least, these next 2 pieces are this orange jacket. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, then you already seen this orange jacket. I wore it the other day. It's so cute and so comfy. It's like a crop top type of jacket, real bright orange or whatever. It has a zipper on it, some pockets. I love this. And then it also has these little scrunchy things right here, so that'll let you like make it like as tight as you want to, so it can be like this, or it can be a looser type of jacket. So it definitely, it zips down and everything, of course, but I ain't got nothing on underneath of this, girl. We're gonna keep it up. But it's definitely just super cute, a cute statement piece. I definitely like this. It's definitely one of them cute pieces where like you're not wearing like a really, really big coat, but you're wearing a coat still technically, and it's keeping you warm. This thing is definitely warm, I can say that, okay? It's really thick and really comfortable, so I like this. It's just this really cute popping color to have in your closet. So yeah, I was really, really happy with this. All right, and then this next piece are these camouflage pants. I've been looking for some camouflage pants for the longest time. I really wanted some. I've wanted some for the past like 4 years. So when they sent me these, I was really, really excited. They definitely hug my butt, really nice, and they real comfortable or whatever. I got these, I think, in a size large as well. I wanted them to be a little bit more baggy, but I still like the fact that they like, you know, they fit around my butt and they still comfortable to like move in and everything. So yeah, it comes with this little weird buckle. The buckle pisses me off. That's why it's hanging like this. But yeah, it comes with this little buckle or whatever. It has a couple pockets on the sides and everything. It's tight around the ankles, which I like. You can dress this up or dress this down. Like, it's camouflage pants. You can do anything with camouflage pants, okay? So definitely like these. I love the way they fit on me, and they are super cute. And just you can wear these like literally all the time. So I'll probably pair this with like some black heels and like a cute little black like onesie or something like that. Or I can do like red, or like, you know, like camouflage is like black. Like you can do like camouflage with basically anything. Like this is even a look. Okay, this right here is even a look. Alright y'all, that is everything that I have for y'all today. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite piece was. Click that description box, y'all. I want y'all to get every deal y'all can get. Subscribe to my channel if you made it this far. Leave me some comments, like, share, all that good stuff. And I will see y'all in my next video.